So we are in line. We're gonna try that new macaroni and cheese. When's the date it came out?
Well, it's been out for a while.
It's been out for a while.
Recently.
Oh, okay. So it's been out for a while. So I heard a lot of people saying that it's good. Have you tried the macaroni and cheese?
Yeah, it tastes like black people mac and cheese.
Really? It tastes like oh my gosh. So if it tastes like my sister's, oh my gosh, that is
There you go.
gonna be love.
Have a nice
Thank
day.
you.
My pleasure.
Mommy, to the house?
Yeah. So we get ready to try the macaroni and cheese from Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A Macaroni and Cheese.
Mommy,
She said it's been out for a while, but it tastes just like black people Chick-fil-A. I mean, black people Chick-fil-A. Black people macaroni and cheese. Let's see if that's the real. Cause my sister macaroni and cheese, man,
Outdoor?
nobody can outdo my sister macaroni and cheese. Ask the family. I'm telling you, my sister macaroni and cheese is the bizarre. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna try it, girl. Oh my fam, I'm getting ready to come back on live. Come back and show y'all when as soon as I take a bite of it. I promise you, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna let y'all know. Bye. We've been eating my fries with sriracha sauce. It's my favorite sauce for Chick-fil-A. So here it goes, you guys. So here's the Chick-fil-A macaroni and cheese, small.
Gotta get some water.
Small.
Get some, mommy.
Because it's hot.
Huh?
So, it smells okay.
No.
So, right here, let's see, it's cheesy. Cheesy. This is what it look like. Look like just regular crafts and macaroni. You know, the regular cheap macaroni and cheese that you buy at the store or whatever. So here you go.
Let me try.
Wait till I try it first. Gosh, let me try it first. Then you can try some. So 1, 2, 3. Here you go.
Does it taste like?
Do what?
Does it taste like Auntie's?
Do it taste like Auntie's? I don't think so. Auntie, Auntie is what they call my sister. You still got it. It ain't too bad. Damn. Here, let me try it. One more bite and then you can have it. It's hot though.
Will you have to fill it out?
Mm-mm.
Okay, let me try it. Mom.
While he do that, I'm gonna eat my sandwich. I'm hungry.
It's kind of good and it's really good. But please, it's better.
What?
My aunt's is better.
Your auntie's better?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. I don't know what the hype is all about these macaroni and cheese, but right here.
Bojangles make the same mac and cheese.
Yeah.
Mac and cheese just like this.
Bojangles mac and cheese is like that, yeah.
They make the
My
same.
aunt, my sisters, you still number one, girl. You still number one. What you think, Braden? You trying it, Braden?
No. Gonna put this.
How you gonna be mad at? Cause you drunk my drink. How you gonna be mad about that?
I ain't mad. I just don't want to try it. It's good, right? Mom, can I get my Bowberry biscuit?
The what, Brian?
Grandma and always is number one. Mac and cheese.
So where's mine at?
And yours is number one.
Oh, okay. Dang, you said grandma and Aunt first.
You're the second one.
I'm the second one.
No,
Oh.
I'm talking about that you are the second one and the grandma's the biggest.
Hers the first.
No, she's bigger than you.
Yeah, I know. She's older than me.
Yeah. Oh,
Because it's my mom.
Yeah, no. Because when she calls you, shows up on the radio and says mom.
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me. This mac and cheese is 10. Number 10.
That mac and cheese number 10.
Yep.
It tastes just like Bojangles macaroni and cheese. To be honest with you.
It's different than the Lexingtons. This is far away than Lexington.
like
My
yours
teacher
number
lives
one.
in Greensboro.
I like yours number 1.
Thank you.
Calling you.
Homemade is the best.
Watch this. Guys,
Homemade
make this.
macaroni and cheese is the best.
Make this.
I don't like it that much.
Close your
No.
eyes. Everybody close your eyes. Make this mac and cheese disappear.
Mom, can I get some?
What? Macaroni and cheese, you want to try it? Let Brayden try some macaroni and cheese.
Look. Now open your eyes. Now it's gone. Bye bye. Now Brady's gonna try it, not me. I'm gonna help you, Brandon. Okay.
Told you.
Hey.
Last bite.
Mama?
I'm saying for me.
No.
You can have some more if you want it. I said last bite for me.
No.
You done?
I'm gonna have some more mac and cheese.
You want some more?
Yeah. 'Cause I want some from
I might put my
Bojangles.
ball there.
And I want to try those Bojangles mac and cheese. We never tried these ones.
I'm trying it out.
Bye. Like Tristan's videos and ours. And subscribe to Tristan's and ours. You want some mac and cheese?
Don't want it. Thank you anyway. Let's go up here and see your brother play.
Can I bring my phone?
Mm-hmm.
Can I have my ball better biscuit?
When we get back. You done?
Which one is my build? My build
It's in the bag. We'll see.
is the first
Let's go out here and see where it's yelling at.
the bottom one is Brandon's and Mommy's.
No.
2 part.
Mine's the top.